Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to place an order on Aliexpress using cash on delivery. This is a great option if you prefer paying only when your order arrives. I'll walk you through a step, so let's get started. First, it's important to know that cash on delivery is not available for every item on or region. To check if COD is an option, open the Aliexpress app or website, then search for the item you want to buy. For example, I am selecting this one. Now select your quantity, then select buy now, uh, then scroll down and uh, to the payment methods section on the product page. Look for the cash on delivery in the available options. If you see cash on delivery as an option, you are good to go. If not, you might need to choose another seller or product. Once you have found an item that supports COD, follow this step to place your order. Click buy now or add to cart. Then go to your cart and check out. Make sure your delivery address is correct. Choose cash on delivery as your payment method. Review your other order details, then click place order. You will receive a confirmation message and your item will be shipped shortly. To avoid any surprises, here are a few tips to a smooth COD experience. Make sure someone is available to accept the delivery. Have the exact amount of cash ready if possible. Keep track of your order status in the Aliexpress app to avoid missed deliveries. And that's it. You have just learned how to cash on delivery on Aliexpress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more shopping tips and tricks.